Hi, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Today I want to show you one of the most frustrating situations in SEO. Now, you open Google Search Console, you see thousands of impressions, but very few clicks. For example, at our screen now we are looking at 16.8 thousand impressions, but only 67 clicks. Most people think it's a ranking problem, but it's usually not. It's usually a click problem. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to diagnose it live and show you exactly how to fix it. Now, once we get to Search Console and open performance, we scroll down and go to the queries. Now we are looking for keywords where Google is showing your page, but users are ignoring it. So let's rank this by the most impressions. So now we can see that we have pages that have 904 impressions, 0 clicks, 669 impressions, 0 clicks. Now, let's look at one of the queries, which is Bream certification. Bream certification has 669 total impressions, but 0 clicks. Google is testing your page, but searchers are choosing other results. Now let's look at the pages on this that rank for this particular keyword. The home page is at the top. In terms of impressions, the home page is at the top. Then we have the Bream certification process UK. Then we have other forms of certification. Now, if as you can see, we have multiple pages, and this could be part of the reason, but let's use one page as our benchmark. So selecting this Bream certification page, 200 impressions, 0 clicks in the past 3 months. So basically what is happening here is that Google thinks the page is relevant to this keyword, but users disagree. This is the most important part of the video. SEO is not just about ranking, it's also about being chosen by the people that see you. And I believe I've said this many times. Now, if we copy this keyword now and we go to Bream certification, let's open an Incognito tab and paste in Bream certification. The first thing we want to do here is to see where our site ranks and look at the sites that are ranking on top to see how we compare. This is where almost nobody in SEO actually looks. This is the real battlefield, the search results page. A lot of people depend on Google Search Console, Ahrefs to tell them how well they are doing in SEO, but sometimes it might be beneficial to look at things yourself. Now, look at the number one result here. It has its Bream certification for sustainable buildings. Get trusted Bream certification for sustainable buildings. Improve asset value, ESG alignment, and environmental performance across global subjects. What this tells me is that the benefits of clicking this link have been communicated to the user, and even within the meta title, you can see that it says certification for sustainable buildings, which is a potential benefit of clicking the link. Then another thing we need to notice here is the addition of site links. Now moving on, this is a guide. Next is a Wikipedia page. Next is another informational page. So mostly here we have informational pages, but number one is a service page and it has site link. And as you can see here, a clear benefit has been established here. Now, The next one is this answers a question directly. This answers another question. This answers. So you have searches that either answer a question or provide a benefit. So now let's look for our page. Page 3. You know what? Just to make it easier, one thing we can do is go to the Google settings and change the amount of pages that are shown in the search. Or another quick way we can see our SERP, how our page looks in search, is to simply come here, copy the link to the page, come back to Incognito, and then we say site, and then we paste in our link. Yeah. So here it says demystifying the Bream certification process. In an era where sustainability is at the forefront of global concerns, the construction industry plays it. So from here now, you can see that we are, beating around the bush, and there is no clear indication of the problem we are trying to solve. There is no clear benefit of clicking the link, and there is also no question being answered here. It's just a beginning monologue. And this title, it might be good for someone that is looking for more information about Bream certification, but it doesn't answer any specific question. So there is no specific reason to click. Google has already tested your page by giving you impressions. Users voted against it with their clicks. CTR is actually user feedback to Google. So it's not about how high your page is ranking when it comes to clicks. It's more about how people responded to the content of your page. There is a hidden truth here. When a page has impressions but no clicks, Google is basically saying, I think this might be relevant, but users are not confirming it. So some of the causes are weak titles, wrong search intent, generic meta description, competitors promising clearer outcomes like we've seen, and this is why some page 2 rankings never improve. Google is waiting for user confirmation. So to fix this, you just need a title and a description that match the search intent, include clear benefits, include specificity, and include an outcome. Instead of describing the page, we need to sell the click. So here's what we learned. Impressions mean Google trusts your relevance. Clicks means users trust your result. If impressions are high but clicks are zero, your SEO problem is not ranking, it's persuasion. So basically, the high impressions indicate Google trusts you, and the low clicks indicate the users do not trust you. So before you build backlinks, before you rewrite content, and before you panic about rankings, always check your CTR first. Sometimes the only thing standing between you and page 1 is a better title. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.